Hey guys, it's me Z. I'm back with a new video. Today I'm going to show you how I dye my wig. So first I start off with the Wella Cream Bleach, and then I use 30 Volume Developer. I was going for the ombre look originally, but I didn't really have that much bleach. So here is me doing that. And well, I don't want to give you any spoilers. Okay, so if you are trying to go for the ombre look with just your ends, my suggestion is to part your hair in like 2 or 4 sections, put it in ponytails, leave it to where you want it to stop, and then put the bleach on it that way. Make sure you have the right amount of bleach, obviously, and that will give you that even look. When I used to dye my real hair, that's how I always did my ends when I dyed them. It's really easy because if you don't have any way of measuring it, you'll have one side that's like really high up and one side that's really low, and it's just gonna look weird. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the hair, split it into 2 sections, and I'm gonna do a bantu knot with it. This way the color gets distributed evenly and it has a really nice blended look. I do this with whole head applications and just ends. It's a really easy process and it gives you good results. Okay, so it's been about a week. I bleached his hair and I ran out of bleach, so I wasn't really satisfied with how it looked. On one side, the bleach stopped it like right here, and on the other side, it was like right here. So what I did was I went back and I got a big tub of bleach, and I'm going to bleach the whole head and then go over it with whatever color dye I'm gonna use. I'm thinking red, but I'm not sure right now. So I'm gonna do this. I haven't done anything to it, that's why it looks so dry. But this wig is really thick, it's 3 bundles. And like if you look inside, wow, that was a bad spot. If you look inside, the top hairs was blonde and like the inside really isn't. So I'm gonna make this blonde everywhere, and then I'm gonna do a color, and then I'm gonna bring the hair back to life. Okay, so here I am with this huge tub of bleach powder. So I'm gonna take 3 scoops of that, and I'm gonna use some 30 Volume Developer. I don't know exactly how much I used, but I kind of eyeballed it. I made sure it wasn't gonna be runny, but I also made sure it wasn't gonna be thick. I'm gonna be making some crazy faces because these fumes was strong and I was about to die. So I'm gonna mix this in together and get it how I want it. Okay, so now I'm taking the applicator brush or whatever it's called, and I'm going over the pieces that were neglected the first time. So first I'm going to do those so they have longer to process, and then I'm going to go into like the middle and the bottom of the hair, and I'm going to get the develop there. I'm going to try not to get it on the bottoms that have already been bleached, but if it happens, it happens. So I'm just trying to quickly work because this does process fast when the hair is virgin, which this hair was. Well, obviously not the part that already died, but yeah. So I'm going over and trying to get it so that the job doesn't look spotchy, and I'm trying to move fast because it is processing as I am going. So while I'm waiting for the bleach to process, I'm getting my stuff together. I will be washing and drying the wig with this ORS Creamy Aloe Shampoo and the Replenishing Conditioner. This is the best stuff ever. I usually buy the replenishing packs, but I saw they sell it as a conditioner now, so I bought it. And then after that, I'm going to deep condition with the cholesterol since it has been bleached twice. So I'm going to do this to, you know, bring it back to life. Okay, come through color. You see that? I did that. Okay, so now I'm going in. I put the wig on my head. It's not soaking wet anymore, but it's obviously still wet. So I'm going to take some generic Soap Remedy and I'm going to put it in my hands. I'm going to distribute it to the wig. I'm doing this just so that it looks a little hydrated. I did process this hair twice. So I'm going to distribute it to my hair and it's going to like make it look silky, make it look soft. And you know, just have my wig looking popping. So I did get a little bit of shedding, but like I said, I did process this hair twice and you know, the wefts are cut, so that's what I expect. So I'm going in with this African Pride curling custard and I'm just raking it through my hair. I'm going to scrunch it and that's just gonna kind of like help the wigs pop a little bit more. This is a body wave texture wig, but I have tried to straighten it. And whenever I do that, it just looks really bad. Like when you straighten it, it's so thick that it never really looks completely straight. So it's better off just being worn curly anyway. I'm probably the only person that does this, but I hang my wigs up on a hanger to dry evenly.
One eternity later.
Okay, so here I am, I'm dressed, I have my stocking cap on, I'm taking some MAC foundation and I'm putting on my cap. I know y'all thinking like, you got this black cap on, why are you putting the makeup up there? Because I can, that's what I do, mind your business. So I did that and now I'm putting the wig on. The wig looks kind of stale because like I said, it's been hanging up on the hanger. So I'm just kind of going in with some of that Soap Remedy again, breaking up the cast that it has. I took my curl wand to break down the little hump in the middle. If there was any pieces that didn't look curly, I just casually touched it over real quick. I wasn't satisfied with my part. So I put some more foundation on a Q-tip and put it on my forehead. And I got it looking right. Here is how the wig looked originally. And here is it now. I'm a cutie. You ain't even ready to see it. There I go. Okay, so it's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, click the little bell to get my notifications. I hope you liked it because I really enjoyed doing this video. I really like the color that I got. It looks kind of like brassy right now because I'm in front of the window, but I still like it. I had a lot of fun doing the voiceovers if y'all can't tell. But like I said, thank you for watching. I will be doing a hair review on the wig I was wearing at the beginning of the video, so stay tuned for that. Hope y'all enjoy. Bye.